kitchen. Oh, oh, the Barra kitchen. The Barra kitchen. Going down to the Barra kitchen. The Barra kitchen.
Okay, so we're in Macau and we're going to be showing you this little place. I think they call it a dog park. It's all relatively new. So we'll just kind of give you a whole idea all about it. So stay tuned for the sights of Macau for you. Okay, the Barra kitchen. So this one is a kind of a new installation into Macau. So there's some money being pumped down by around Temple and Barra Station. And this is what you're gonna see. This is actually there's not many people right here right now on this particular day, but it doesn't matter because that's gonna be a future project that's just getting underway. And I think there's gonna be a lot more now that the Barra station is up and the train line's gonna be built more and more money's pumping into Ama. You saw those up on the map as well, and we got some music coming down as well. So just kind of a short little song that I fed into AI. And let's no further ado, let's just show you what it looked like when I went through there on March 30, 2025. Okay. So yeah, actually this is relatively new. They just painted these walls recently, as far as I know. Colors Macau. That up there is Peña Hill. There's Peña Church up at the top, the mountain there. We're in Barra. So we're going to be seeing what this is all about, because they have some kids things and different things here. Maybe we'll come by like this. So these are all about. And I don't know if these are temporary or Barra kitchen. Signature drink. So we're just gonna kind of come through all of these and see. I think these are all temporary, but there's another part that looks more permanent. So right now it says Dog Park Barra. First time for me to see this. Barra kitchen. Workshop, soul scan. Did see this not too long ago, which was pretty interesting. This exhibition and a printing workshop as well. So let's go in here more. This has always been closed as well, so we're gonna come in here and see what this is all about. We're in an area called Barra. Barra Kitchen and Barra District. So I think they're putting more money into some of these. Just show you this real quick. But this is down to Ama. Let's go see what this is all about, the Barra kitchen area. So it looks all kind of new. This is for kids. So it looks like most of this is more for kids than anything. Let's see what else we got down here. Let's see. We've got all kinds of different restaurants. Baba's Kitchen. Nice, that's like more of a waffle. Got some Sesame Street food, soup. Hello. Hello. Let's see, this is over here. This is all relatively new, so it's gonna have more stuff over here too. More tables out here. Ho Diner. It's like I was in Taiwan and I was saw something like this. Huh. Okay. So it feels like this whole area is going to be growing out quite a bit more. Huh. There's another kitchen right here too. Huh. Okay, this is all new. My first time to walk in here. Prince noodles, okay. You get beer there. Tofu. I would love the idea of being able to drink and eat up at the top there like that, so that does look like it'd be a kind of amazing. There's another one over here too. 10 burger. So later they'll have that one. Huh. All these tables that sit outside. This will be different later. Okay. Old bowls. Okay, so this is going to be a whole little. I guess it's going to be called Barra Kitchen. I guess it already is called Barra Kitchen. So Barra Kitchen and dog park. It looks like they have a gate, so it's going to close at some point. Welcome, cold beer. Up there. Huh, okay. Well, that's Barra. So we're gonna go on out. See if we can go this way. Over here we have some bamboo scaffolding, which is now illegal in Hong Kong. So that was a Barra kitchen right there. This is all this Ama temple right there. It's right there. Okay, you can even see Macau Tower in the background. And on that note, we're gonna fade on out of there, but this is Barra and a couple new additions in Barra. And there's a museum, Maritime Museum down that way. There's some of these down here. These are kind of tourist attraction stuff, so they just kind of stay here. But technically people can take them around. Okay. On that note, I think we're going to leave our video. There we go. Hope you like that. Another little slice of Macau for you.
Going down to the Barra Kitchen. The Barra Kitchen.